What if your spare time could make you rich? Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights, where we turn money moves into master plans. Today, we're revealing some of the most unbelievable side hustles that could turn your loose change into serious income. These aren't your typical earn a few bucks gigs. We're talking real strategies that real people are using to build real wealth. Whether you're stuck in a 9-to-5 hustling through college or managing a busy household, this video is packed with clever, creative ways to make money doing things you already love or could easily learn. From passion projects turned profit engines to smart skills you never thought could pay, we've got a goldmine of ideas to share, all with a good dose of humor and no fluff. So grab a notebook and maybe your favorite snack, because by the end of this video, you won't just be inspired, you'll be ready to launch your own income stream. This isn't just about side cash. It's about unlocking your path to financial freedom. Let's dive in and discover the hustle that could change your life. Side hustle number 1, flipping items. Let's kick things off with one of the most accessible and rewarding side hustles out there, flipping items. This process is simple yet effective. Buy low and sell high. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist are treasure troves for those willing to hunt for undervalued items. The key is to develop an eye for potential. Start by visiting thrift stores, garage sales, or estate sales, where you can often find hidden gems at rock-bottom prices. Look for items that are in good condition but priced lower than their market value. Vintage clothing, electronics, and collectibles are just a few categories where you can score big. Once you've made your purchase, it's time to list your items online. Take great photos and write compelling descriptions to attract buyers. There are countless success stories of individuals who have turned flipping into a full-time gig. For instance, one savvy flipper turned a $5 thrift store find into a $500 sale on eBay. With a little patience and persistence, you too can transform small investments into significant income. So why not give flipping a try? You might just uncover your next big payday. Side hustle number 2, print on demand. Next up, let's explore the exciting world of print on demand, a side hustle that perfectly blends creative expression with the potential for profit. With print on demand, you can create custom designs for a variety of products, from trendy t-shirts to unique mugs, without the hassle of inventory or upfront costs. Getting started is a breeze. All you need is a creative idea and some design skills. You can use graphic design tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to bring your vision to life. Once your designs are ready, you can upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. These platforms handle the printing, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on what you love, designing. One of the best parts about print on demand is the low upfront costs. You don't have to invest in bulk inventory, which means less financial risk. Plus, once your designs are live, they can generate passive income as customers purchase your products. Imagine waking up to sales while you sleep. With a little creativity and marketing savvy, print on demand can be a fun and profitable side hustle that showcases your artistic flair. Side hustle number 3, affiliate marketing. Now let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to turn your online presence into a lucrative revenue stream. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This can apply to a wide range of products, from tech gadgets to beauty products, and even online courses. To get started, it's essential to choose the right niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will make it easier to create authentic content that resonates with your audience. Once you've identified your niche, research and select products that offer attractive commission rates and have a good reputation. There are countless success stories in the affiliate marketing space. For instance, some affiliate marketers earn six-figure incomes by building niche websites or leveraging social media platforms. With dedication and the right strategies, you too can tap into this income potential. Whether you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a strong social media following, affiliate marketing can be a rewarding side hustle that allows you to monetize your passion while helping others discover great products. Side hustle number 4, pet sitting. Let's talk about a side hustle that's both rewarding and fun. Pet sitting. With the growing demand for pet care services, now is the perfect time to jump into this furry business. More pet owners are looking for reliable sitters to care for their beloved animals while they're away, and you can be the one to fill that need. To get started, leverage platforms like Rover, which connects pet sitters with clients in your area. Simply create a profile, showcase your experience with animals, and set your rates. The platform makes it easy to find clients and manage bookings, so you can focus on what you love, spending time with pets. Building trust with pet owners is crucial. Make sure to communicate openly, provide regular updates, and offer excellent service. Consider offering a meet and greet before the sitting begins to help both the pet and the owner feel comfortable. The potential earnings in pet sitting can be impressive, with many sitters charging anywhere from $15 to $50 per visit, depending on the services offered. Plus, the flexibility of choosing your own hours makes it an ideal side hustle for anyone looking to earn extra income while enjoying the company of furry friends. Side hustle number 5, online tutoring. Let's explore the exciting opportunities in online tutoring, a side hustle that allows you to monetize your knowledge while helping others succeed academically. With the rise of remote learning, the demand for online tutors has skyrocketed, making it a great time to jump in. Platforms like VIP Kid and Tutor.com are excellent starting points for finding students. These platforms connect you with learners from around the world, allowing you to teach subjects you're passionate about, whether it's math, science, or languages. To build a successful tutoring business, focus on effective teaching methods. Tailor your approach to each student's learning style and use engaging materials to keep them interested. Building a strong client base is essential, so consider offering free introductory sessions or discounts for referrals to attract new students. One of the best aspects of online tutoring is the potential for high hourly rates, often ranging from $20 to $60 or more, depending on your expertise in the subject matter. Plus, the flexible scheduling allows you to work around your existing commitments, making it an ideal side hustle for anyone looking to earn extra income while sharing their knowledge and making a difference in students' lives. Side hustle number 6, handmade crafts. Let's dive into the delightful world of selling handmade crafts, a side hustle that allows you to turn your creativity into cash. If you have a knack for crafting, whether it's jewelry making, knitting, or woodworking, there's a market out there just waiting for your unique creations. One of the best platforms to showcase and sell your handmade items is Etsy, where millions of buyers are looking for one-of-a-kind products. You can also explore local markets and craft fairs to connect with your community and sell your crafts in person. When it comes to pricing your items, consider the cost of materials, your time, and the market demand. Don't undervalue your work. Instead, set prices that reflect the quality and effort you put in. Marketing is key, so use social media to showcase your crafts, share behind-the-scenes content, and engage with potential customers. There are countless success stories of crafters who have turned their hobbies into thriving businesses. For instance, some Etsy sellers have reported earning thousands of dollars a month by consistently creating and promoting their products. With passion and dedication, selling handmade crafts can be a fulfilling and profitable side hustle that allows you to share your creativity with the world. Side hustle number 7, blogging. Let's explore the world of blogging, a side hustle that can be incredibly lucrative when approached with the right strategy. At its core, blogging is about sharing your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with an audience. However, to turn it into a profitable venture, it's crucial to choose a specific niche that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. Whether it's travel, personal finance, or health and wellness, focusing on a niche helps you create valuable content that resonates with readers. Once you've established your blog, there are several ways to monetize it. You can earn income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Joining ad networks like Google AdSense allows you to display ads on your site, while partnering with brands for sponsored posts can provide additional revenue. Affiliate marketing is another great option. By promoting products and including affiliate links, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your blog. Many successful bloggers have turned their passion into full-time careers, earning anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s a month. With dedication, consistency, and a focus on providing value, blogging can be a rewarding side hustle that not only generates income, but also allows you to connect with like-minded individuals. Side hustle number 8, virtual assistant. Let's dive into the growing field of virtual assistants, a side hustle that's in high demand and offers incredible flexibility. As a virtual assistant, you provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs from the comfort of your home. The skills needed to succeed in this role include strong organizational abilities, excellent communication, and proficiency in various software tools like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and project management platforms. Additionally, having a knack for social media management or basic graphic design can set you apart from the competition. Finding clients is easier than ever, thanks to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These sites allow you to create a profile showcasing your skills and experience, making it simple for potential clients to find you. Be sure to tailor your proposals to each job, highlighting how you can meet their specific needs. One of the best aspects of being a virtual assistant is the flexibility it offers. You can choose your own hours and workload, making it an ideal side hustle for anyone looking to balance work with other commitments. Plus, the earning potential is impressive, with many virtual assistants charging between $20 to $50 per hour, depending on their expertise and the services they provide. With dedication and the right approach, virtual assistants can be a rewarding and profitable side hustle. As we wrap up our exploration of these exciting side hustles, let's quickly recap the key takeaways. We started with flipping items, where you can buy low and sell high for profit. Then we ventured into print on demand, allowing you to create custom products with minimal upfront costs. Next, we discussed affiliate marketing, a way to monetize your online presence by promoting products you love. Pet sitting followed, offering a flexible way to earn while caring for furry friends. We then explored online tutoring, where you can share your knowledge and earn a great hourly rate. Handmade crafts opened the door to creativity in local markets, while blogging provided a platform for sharing your passions and generating income. Finally, we looked at virtual assistants, a role in high demand that offers flexibility and earning potential. Now that you've learned about these diverse opportunities, it's time to take action. Explore which side hustle resonates with you and start your journey today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share it with friends who might be interested. We have plenty more content coming your way, so stay tuned for more ways to boost your income and unleash your creativity.